Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We just took out a shrink wrap, something pretty special, a 2025 model Harris Grand Mariner 270, fully loaded with all the goodies. This guy has a 400 horsepower V10 on it. It's got the new lily pad ladder on the back of it, and it also has the joystick docking on it. So the joystick docking, the way it works, you've got a joystick right next to your helm, and right up here underneath the front of the boat, you'll be able to see there's a little, for lack of a better term, a trolling motor pod that will drop down off the front, and there's another one that you can probably see a little better back here on the back. That will drop down so that you have the ability to turn what is really a 29.5-foot pontoon boat really in a boat length of itself. So if you want something bigger that seats a ton of people and you're worried about how you're going to dock it or how tight your slip space is, no better way to get a big pontoon boat and slip than something like this. All right, so the first thing everybody notices when they get in this boat is just the size of it. It's a big pontoon boat. These bench seats up front are probably 10, 11 feet long, so tons of seating up here, lots of cup holders, double USB ports in the mouse hole cutouts. This boat's going to have LED lighting in the cup holders, seat bases, speakers, under the rub rail, underwater, up in a tower. I mean, just lit up everywhere that you can get them from the factory. Big in-floor ski locker. Boat rides on 3 27-inch diameter pontoon logs. Flip-up table, elevated helm, dual screens, biggest stereo available from the factory. When I said this thing is loaded, I mean it is loaded with all the goodies. And here is your joystick docking. So just no better way to dock a big pontoon boat than just using the joystick. LED light panels built here into the tower cans, double bimini. So this boat's going to have about 25 foot of available shade on board. So just awesome boat here for Texas. SL flip-flop backrest. Because of it being a 27-foot, the forward part of the L bench is even longer than it would be on a 25. This seat back here flip-flops. You could also put it down flat to give you a full sun pad back here. And these are on ratchet, so you can ratchet these up if you have that down flat to use these as a forward-facing chase. Additional subwoofer underneath the back seat. And the newly designed Grand Mariner just has a lot more area back here on the transom, and a big 400 horsepower V10 on the business end of the boat. So just awesome boat. I'd love to show it to you in person. If you got any questions about this or any of the other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.